throw taken and returned by Silas Knuckle. Stopped on the return by Colin Luke. The Wolves offense takes the field. The line of scrimmage is the Buford 39, and it is first down, Buford. And off to Jameer Cantrell. Picks up 2 yards to the 41-yard line, where it'll be second down. Hand off to Jameer Cantrell. Stopped on the play by Chance Davis. New line of scrimmage is the 47-yard line. It's third down. Ball carrier was Jameer Cantrell.
Take it back 5 yards. Luke is on the practice.
Illegal shift. Offense. Fourth down.
Let that nigga get in, son. We just filled them up.
New line of scrimmage is the 44, and it's fourth down.
Let's go, baby. Run this back. This one's long.
Their catch is called for and made at the 13-yard line.
It's fine, they hold.
The Gainesville offense will take over. It's first and 10 from their own 13. Hand off to Jordan Brown. Short gain on the play. Takes it to the 14-yard line. Julian Dillard and Gray Richardson combined to make the stop. Pass is complete to Doyle Morrison. Forced out of bounds around the 31-yard line, and there is a flag.
Personal foul, late hit, out of bounds on the defense. 15-yard penalty. Let's go!
New line of scrimmage is the Gainesville 46-yard line. It's 1st and 10. Beasley's pass was intended for Doyle Morrison. Incomplete. Brings up 2nd down and 10. Still from the Gainesville 46. His pass is complete to Morrison. Braylon Williams made the stop. Gainesville now into Wolves territory to the 48-yard line. But Buford, let your team win for you and start down. Pass is complete to P.J. Watson. Jimmy Cantrell made the stop. Play picked up enough for 1st and 10, now at the 35. Beasley's pass was intended for Legend Wilmot. Coverage on the play by DJ Ford. Brings up 2nd down and 10 from the 35. Picked up on the play by Miles Stepp. There is a flag.
False start. Offense. 5-yard penalty. 3rd down.
New line of scrimmage is the Buford 31-yard line. And it's still 4th down. Into the pass is complete to Jordan Morrison. After the 3-yard line. Second down and goal to go. Big hit and stop in the backfield by Ben Rosen. It's going to go for Gainesville, but now it is third down. The kickoff from Gainesville is out of bounds.
Kick out of bounds. Kicking team. The ball will be placed at the 35-yard. First down.
Intuition, I'm so divine and they just moving under superstition. So while I head, I break them down, I call it long division. We face to face to realize they made the wrong decision. I'm surgical, I formulate a plan with pure precision. I got the confidence, they calculate the circumcision. I am no religion, I just evade the system. I use that for ammunition, killing opposition. It's more than just a game. I give it everything. Don't care about the fame, you gon' know my name. All we know is one thing.
Where it will be first down, Buford. ball carrier was A.J. Gainesville. A big run into Gainesville territory to the 40-yard line. And on the stop for Gainesville, number 22, Jaden Fosan. A.J. Granville, the ball carrier. Jeremiah Proctor in on the stop. It'll bring up second down. Second down and 7 from the 37. Pass is complete from DJ Hunter to Ashton Thomas. Stopped on the play by Zachary Ingram. But Thomas took it all the way down inside the 10-yard line. It's first down and goal to go. DJ Hunter on the quarterback keeper. Result of the play is a Buford touchdown. The extra point attempt is good. The kickoff from Jack Rudlaw is into the end zone for a touchback. Ball will be placed at the Gainesville 20-yard line. It's first and 10. Jordan Brown, the ball carrier, takes it to the 23. Second down and 7. Stopped by Joshua Eccles. Hughley's pass is incomplete. Line of scrimmage remains the Gainesville 23-yard line. Wolves fans, let them hear you because it's third down.
False start, offense, 5-yard penalty, third down.
New line of scrimmage is the 18-yard line, and it is still third down. Kareem Hughley on the carry. Takes it out to the 20-yard line. It'll bring up a long fourth down. The Gainesville punt is down at the 41-yard line.
He don't fit. It ain't offensive system. He should just stay with you. Why was he
The Wolves offense will take over in Gainesville territory at the 41-yard line, where it will be first down, Buford.
There you go! That's what I'm talking about, T. Step up, baby!
A 1-yard gain on the play. Takes it to the 40-yard line and brings up second down and 9.
Come on, let's go, D. Come on, D.
Got in the way, bro.
Who takes it to the house for the Buford touchdown.
They go to replay.
Throw the flag, I like it. Illegal formation.
Here is the flag.
I feel bad for coaches too, because you can't do no little plays there, bro.
Give them a try. Anticipation on the defense. That's your team y'all dealing with themselves on the kickoff. The score, good.
Two-point conversion was ran in by Brady Wagner.
Especially against them niggas. Yes, bro. 50 something. They got plays, bro. They got run. That's why they popping for them. That's why the beginning for half they wasn't. That's all starting to open up.
Legend Wilmot and Doyle Morrison back deep to receive. Jack Rudolph set to kick off for the Wolves. Rudolph's kick is into the end zone for a touchback. Ball will be placed at the Gainesville 20-yard line. It's 1st and 10.
Yo, Faye, man.
Stop on the play by Julian Dillon.
What is he doing?
Ball carrier was Arshawn Sampson. No gain on the play. 2nd down and 10 from the Gainesville 20-yard line.
Right there! Oh, he got pulled down! Finally, he got
Pass is incomplete. There's a flag.
If it was college, maybe, but in high school, they'd be like 15 yards. He drug him down! He looked back at the ball, he pulled him down. That's a PI.
The line of scrimmage remains to get through a 20-yard line. The line to gain is the 30. Wolves fans, your defense is still out there, and it's 3rd down.
Right here, twin!
Hughley's pass is complete to Arshawn Sampson. Forced out of bounds by Braylon Williams. Correction, forced out of bounds by DJ Ford. It'll bring up 4th down. 4th down and 4 from the 26.
200.
the play, recovered by Eli Davenport for a Buford touchdown.
Woo! Shit, felt like I was in hell for a little bit. Ain't me. That shit felt like hell.
31-13, Buford.
How the fuck you sound? I feel that bitch coming down. Woo, shit. Woo, shit.
Dead ball.
I was just pissed
unsportsmanlike conduct on the defense. The score is good. The 15-yard penalty will be assessed on the kickoff.
Yeah, they let them celebrate.
So some Florida nigga, we gonna have to go to the store. Fuck what you talking about. I'm sorry. I'm a driver.
The extra point attempt from Evan Griffin is good.
They need to get a new snapper or something though.
It was just a one-score game.
Kickoff was recovered by Doyle Morrison. Forced out of bounds by Junior Norwood. Line of scrimmage is the Gainesville 25-yard line. It's 1st and 10. His pass is complete to Colin Porterfield. Brady Wagner, Justin Buffalo, and Jackson Patterson all converted to make that stop. New line of scrimmage is the 35. It's 1st and 10.
There we go, I like that.
Jordan Brown, the ball carrier, takes it out to the 38-yard line. Joshua Eccles and Ben Brocious made the stop. Second down and 7.
This is zero right here. This is literally zero. No saying. Straight man. This shit.
Beasley's pass is complete to Colin Porterfield. Forced out of bounds by Ashton Thomas.
That's why. What they doing? And nobody got it.
Beasley's pass intended for Legend Wilmot. It's incomplete. Second down and 10 from the Gainesville 48.
It's a fumble.
Jordan Brown was the ball carrier. There was a fumble on the play, recovered by the Wolves. Loose ball was recovered and returned by Ethan Hauser. Ball will be placed at the 35-yard line where it is first down, Buford.
You know the NFL got a team, right? They play Marietta, probably